How to find Sound ID in Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website of Roblox. Provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, at the top, you're going to find the option of Create. Click on that. Now head over to the option Creations. Now in this page, you're going to find different tab. Head over to the tab Development Items. Under that, you're going to find different option. Click on the option Audio. With that, you're going to find your audio. Right click on it, bunch of options will appear. Click on the option Copy Asset ID. Alternatively, what you want to do is head over to this store page. Click on the option Audio. Now here you're going to find bunch of audios. Select the one for which you want to copy the asset ID. Once you have selected the song, click on the drop down. Click on the option More Info. Now click on three dots. You're going to find the option Copy Asset ID. Click on it. And that's it. This is how you can easily find Sound ID in Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.